Love, one word, countless meanings. It's a feeling we all experience in different forms and intensities. But did you know that the ancient Greeks broke down the concept of love into 3 distinct types? Each type has its unique characteristics and role in our lives. Today, we're going to explore these 3 types of love: Eros, romantic love; Philia, friendship; and Agape, selfless love. Let's dive in. Let's start with Eros. The word Eros comes from the Greek god of love and desire. This is the type of love most of us first think of. It's romantic, passionate, and often intense. In ancient Greece, Eros was considered both a blessing and a challenge. It's the kind of love that makes your heart race and your thoughts preoccupied with another person. Imagine this: 2 people meet and feel an immediate connection. They can't stop thinking about each other, and they're drawn together by an almost magnetic force. This is Eros at play. It's the love that sparks romantic relationships, often driven by physical attraction and emotional longing. But here's the thing: Eros isn't just about physical desire. The Greeks believed it could be a doorway to something higher, like a deeper understanding of beauty or the nature of love itself. In modern terms, it's the foundation of what we might call falling in love. Think about the love stories in books, movies, or even your own life. Romeo and Juliet. Definitely Eros. That couple at the coffee shop who can't take their eyes off each other. Also Eros. Now, let's move on to Philia, or the love of friendship. Unlike Eros, which is often intense and fleeting, Philia is about deep, lasting bonds. It's the love you share with friends, colleagues, or anyone with whom you have mutual respect and trust. Aristotle called it the highest form of love because it's built on shared values and virtues. Think about your closest friends, the ones who are there for you in good times and bad. You support each other, share your dreams, and help each other grow. That's Philia. Imagine 2 friends who met in college, studied together, and now celebrate each other's successes years later. Or consider teammates who, despite their differences, work together to achieve a common goal. These are modern examples of Philia. One of the best things about Philia is its self-reinforcing nature. The more you invest in it, the stronger it becomes. It doesn't demand grand gestures but thrives on small, consistent acts of care, like checking in on a friend after a tough day or celebrating their achievements, no matter how small. And finally, we arrive at Agape. If Eros is passionate and Philia is reciprocal, Agape is selfless and unconditional. It's the kind of love that expects nothing in return. The Greeks associated Agape with divine love, the kind of love a god might have for humanity. But here's the amazing part: Agape isn't limited to deities. It's something we humans can practice too. Think about acts of charity, forgiveness, or even everyday kindness to strangers. When you help someone without expecting anything in return, that's Agape. Imagine a person volunteering at a food bank, not for recognition, but simply to help those in need. Or a parent sacrificing their own comfort to ensure their child's happiness. These are examples of Agape. In modern society, we see Agape in movements for social justice, in communities coming together during disasters, or even in simple acts like holding the door for someone. It's the love that binds humanity and reminds us of our shared existence. So, there you have it: Eros, Philia, and Agape. Each form of love serves a unique purpose in our lives. Eros ignites passion and connection, Philia builds bonds of trust and mutual respect, and Agape reminds us of the power of selflessness. Think about your own life. Can you identify moments where you've experienced each of these loves? Maybe the rush of falling for someone new, Eros, the comfort of an old friendship, Philia, or the joy of helping someone in need, Agape. The beauty of these concepts is that they are timeless. Though they come from ancient philosophy, they are as relevant today as ever. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of love. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. And remember, love is a journey, embrace all its forms. See you in the next video.